Now, looking for some Vidnami alternatives?
I've considered the alternatives.
Convert your text to video and video editing as well. This is Pictory AI. I'm gonna leave links to all these softwares in the description of this very video. This allows you to turn your script into a video, a blog post into a video, edit videos using text, and also edit the video like you would using any other video editor. Now they have a bunch of pricing options available. You can also start with their free trial if you want. Looking at the pricing options available, the 19 a month is standard pricing, which gives you up to 10-minute long videos you can edit with transcription of up to 10 hours. This is one of the reasons why we have this one on the list.
Number 2
is none other than Invideo.io. Now, Invideo is a very good one, very recommended if you want to turn your text into video. Now, they have a bunch of tutorials. Get started with the software for absolutely free. Now, I'll leave a link to all my tutorials with all these softwares mentioned in here on how to use them, especially the Pictory versus Invideo comparison video. It will be available in the description. You can explore a bunch of videos you can create, which can include the outro makers, video makers, slideshow, meme generators, and so much more. A good one for those who want something free. It will have a watermark on your videos.
Number 3
is Lumen5 Com, which is another great text to video converter out there on the market as of now. Now you can convert your text, your blog post, your scripts with the power of AI into videos using Lumen5. Now it has a bunch of stock footage and images you can use for your own videos. The pricing plans are not different, as they have the free plan forever, which is $0 to get started with, the creator plan, which is available for $11 US, and that will get rid of the watermark branding. But with the free plan, you will have it on there. There are other plans you can check out with the link in the description as well. The other one that I would encourage you to check out is Filmora by Wondershare, which is a very great one if you are getting started with video editing. It's another great alternative and cheaper alternative, which comes with a free download you can have on your PC. It enables you to create, edit, and also create videos using their stock footage media database. Now they have a bunch of options available, which is the Wondershare Filmora, you can download for free right here, then the Wondershare Filmora Pro, which you can download for right here as well, and the Wondershare Filmora Go as well. Now you can check out this in the description. Now for those of you who want animated videos, I have an option for you right here. Createstudio is another great one which you can use. I own the software and it's very amazing. You can create doodle videos and animated 3 and 2D videos as well. Now they have a one-time fee which you can access via the link in the description as well. With Doodly as well, you can access the one-time fee of about 80 Canadian dollars, which is about $60 US, and you can get Doodly for free as well, which is specifically good for doodle videos. Now with Createstudio, it creates doodle, 3D, and whiteboard animation video. Access to all these, I'm gonna leave a link in the description to my website here, which you can access by searching up Createstudio versus Doodly to see the detailed comparison on these two softwares. You can also watch my video right here, which I'll leave a link to in the description, and all the links to this. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next videos.